Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are making something that I actually wanted to make for my husband, which is a type of blondie. He actually likes blondies more than he likes brownies. So this is a nut butter blondie, let's just say, but I decided to use almond butter. So we're using almond butter as well as almond flour for this recipe. It is naturally sweetened with both coconut sugar and maple syrup. Comes together in one bowl, comes together and ready to devour in 30 minutes or less. So this is a type of recipe that is definitely a keeper. It is so good. They're so good. They're good when they're warm. They're good when they're cold. I have given them to a couple of people in the past couple of days and they have raved about them. So this recipe is definitely a keeper. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So why don't we learn how to make these delicious almond butter blondies? You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. Next, we're going to grab either a medium to large bowl, and we're going to add our 2 eggs. We're using 1 cup of natural almond butter. You can swap out any nut butter you like. Half a cup of coconut sugar, and a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. This is 1 tablespoon of melted butter. You could also use coconut oil. I'm using 2 teaspoons of Sassy Cathy's vanilla. And we're just gonna give everything a good mix. Sassy Cathy is offering our viewers 15% off her 4-ounce vanilla bottle. All the information is in the description box. This is half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, plus 3 tablespoons of almond flour. You could also use 1 tablespoon of coconut flour if that's what you have. And we're just gonna mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. And I'm using half a cup of good quality chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate chips you like. So I've transferred my batter to my baking pan and I'm just going to spread it out evenly from corner to corner. You could add 2 extra tablespoons of chocolate chips on top if you like, but I think there's more than enough chocolate inside. You could also add some flaky almonds, whatever you like. And we are going to bake 350 for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick comes out pretty clean. We're going to let these rest for about 20 minutes before slicing. And once they come out of the oven, I love to sprinkle a few pinches of flaky sea salt on top. Enjoy these incredible almond butter blondies. They're fudgy, they're chocolatey, they're absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these almond butter blondies, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.